All right, welcome to Screencast Workshop number 3. I'm having some microphone difficulties, so hopefully this one pans out. The objective of today is going to be to figure out how to find out an NBA all-time record. So the objective that we have for today is, can we discover, using the internet, using a specific basketball reference website, can we figure out who has the most three-point field goals in one game? So here's my homepage, and I'm going to head on over to trusty old Google, and I'm going to type in basketball reference, and as you can see, it's a basketball statistics and history website, so it's going to be useful in what we are hoping to achieve. So on the homepage here, you have some current standings, some news over here. We want to go to the leaders section. We're going to go ahead and click on that. We want to know, we're looking for records, right? We want to know all-time records. So right here is the records section. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, Basketball Reference has it parceled out pretty nicely. They've got individual, so player, regular season records, individual postseason, playoff records, team, regular season, team postseason. And we want three-point field goals, which is right here. So that's going to tell us who is the leader for three-point field goals made. I'm going to give that a little click, see? And so this will break it down for us. Most seasons leading the league, most consecutive seasons, most 3 points ever in a total season, in a rookie season, in a game. This is what we're after right here. Most three-pointers made in a game. And our winner is Klay Thompson with 14. And it gives you the date that this occurred. Right there. October 29th, 2018. So this is a new record. His teammate Stephen Curry held the record with 13, which he set back in 2016. So again, this is that's how we figure out NBA records on this leaders page. Click that again. Leaders page. I could do this year's current records over here. But I'm looking at the overall NBA records. And then it takes me down to this, and I have all these options of what to look for. In our case, we went to three-point field goals. And then that's divvied out by game. Most three-point field goals in one game. So there you have it. That's how you use Basketball Reference to figure out NBA records. All right. Thanks for watching.